Hi! Welcome to my YouTube channel Jonah Jo. I'm Jonah Jo, Indonesian living in Barcelona, Spain. In this video, I will unbox. Look at this. I have two boxes from Morphe.com. So, are you curious what inside these boxes? Me too. So, before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe, give thumbs up, also you can leave your comment in the below. Okay, now let's open these boxes. Look at this. Now it's open already. One of these boxes. Let's see what inside. First here, I think invoice like usual. Plastic bubble. And ta-da! I have, what is this? Morphe 35M Boss Mode. Okay, let's open. I will just open, okay? I don't want to review or showing the swatches. Maybe you can see in other video. Ouch! Okay. Look at this, guys! So pretty! I love shimmer. Okay, this is the first Morphe Boss Mode 35. Okay, this one. And Jaclyn Hill Palette Volume 2. This is the second one, and I think the last finish. Okay, this is Palette Volume 2 from Morphe x Jaclyn Hill. So pretty. Yes, I will review in another video, okay? One box is done. I will keep it behind me, and now I still have one more, and I will open now. Okay. Now the box is open already, and as usual you will find invoice. Okay, in this box I have many things. I have 4 things, and let's see one by one, and I will start from the smallest first. Here the smallest thing, Morphe Matte Matte. See. Okay, I choose color honey. Can you see this? Honey. Yes, it was discount. I forgot. I think it's become 3 euro or something, but in my opinion it was so cheap. Wow, I like the design, and let's see how is the color. Oh yes, the color is nude, or see, it's almost nude, I think. And I love this color because you can use this color in whatever event, for formal or informal. By the way, I have many nude color in lipstick. Okay, this is the first, and let's see the second. The second, I have Morphe Madison Beer. This is Luminos setting spray. Okay, what I bought, this is, I choose the color Lockdown. Oh, look at this. It's like full of shimmer. Wow. Okay, shake well, hold, but it's normal. Okay, next time I will make full makeup with Morphe, so you can see how is the result of this Luminos setting spray. is different or not, check it out in my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe, give thumbs up, okay? And the third thing I have here, again, eyeshadow palette from Morphe X Money MUA Glam Palette. This is the guy. I forgot why I bought this. I think it was discount too. Oh my god, whatever I bought is discount. Yeah, it's true. Yes, the material I think is from carton. They give mirror. Not bad. I can bring for traveling. And okay, now let's see how is the color here. Here you get 4 shimmer and 8 matte, and then you got 2 highlighter. By the way, I'm curious how is the highlighter. I will swatch here. 1 and then 2. Okay. Now, ow! My hair! Now let's see in my hand. I mean in my arm. Oh my gosh! You see this? I think I love it. Okay, I will make review this product next video. Hey, okay. Now the last thing what I have here. Finish. Okay, what is this? This is getting started. Yes, this is brushes from Morphe 8-piece brush collection plus bag. Now it's open. Okay, here it says these 8 brushes to start the beat. Yes, this is topper powder brush, flat buffer brush, contour brush, mini buffer, pointed blender, oval fluff brush, angel brows body brush, detail liner brush, fox leader zipper bag. Okay, now let's open. Is it true or not? Oh, it's true. I have 4 brushes, 8 brushes I mean, and I think it's good enough if you want to traveling and you can bring together here. That's all, done. Okay guys, now you know already what's my shopping in morphe.co.uk. Okay guys, by the way, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, give thumbs up. Also you can leave your comment in the below. Bye.